Question number 4. A raindrop falls from rest through air with a velocity v and an acceleration a. Which graph best represents the variation of a with v? A with v. That's the question here. Remember, most of the time we only draw VT graphs. Okay. And when such questions come, what students usually do is that they'll mark C as the right answer. Because the moment you say raindrop is falling, we all get confused saying that okay, the velocity should remain a constant. But that is not the case here. Let's understand that here the plot of acceleration versus velocity and not velocity versus time. Okay. So therefore, now what's happening? So when you make a raindrop fall over here, as it falls to the ground, what will happen? The acceleration of this one will start reducing. Why should it reduce? Because there is a air resistance given over here. Okay, when there is an air resistance, automatically, okay, the acceleration starts reducing. Is this the right one? This is not the right one. Here, what's happening? Acceleration is increasing. This is also not the right one. Okay, and then if you look at this here, acceleration is increasing with velocity. Okay, so this is also not the right one, right? And when it comes here, you see, as the velocity keeps on increasing, acceleration starts reducing. So D is the right one. Okay,